Hi, Charlie.
Hi.
What do we have there?
We have joy.
Inside out surprise egg.
Who to discuss? There's anger and there's the captain. This is anger. Discuss. What's this?
Fear.
Fear. This is anger, disgust, fear, and sadness and joy.
Yeah.
I think we're going to get fear, my favorite.
Fear is your favorite?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see.
Anger, sadness, and joy. There's
Wow.
1, 2, 3.
Good. Okay, Charlie, let's open the first egg. Which one do you want to open?
Anger.
Anger. Come on, let's do it.
Okay, I'll get anger. What's inside?
I don't know. It's a surprise.
Look, Mommy bought it for me.
Yeah.
I think in the mall.
Yes, in the mall.
See what we get.
Okay, come on, let's open it.
We get fear.
Is it? Wow. That's what you want, right?
Yeah.
Wow, good
get
job. We got fear. Okay, so we got fear eraser here. And it's what Charlie wants. So he's
And
very happy.
I like so smart and fear.
Yeah. Who do you want to open next?
Joy.
Joy. Okay, come
I
on.
think it's good. What's inside? What's inside?
I don't know.
I think it's anger.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
Look.
Oh no.
Ta-da! Anger!
Wow, that's good. Okay, so we got anger on the second surprise egg, and Charlie is again correct. Wow,
I think I'll get disgust here.
really? Our Charlie, who is the last character?
Sadness.
Sadness. And what do you think will you get there?
Joy.
Joy? Okay, let's see. I hope you're correct because you are right for the first 2 eggs.
Whack!
Oh no.
It's a mess. Can I eat a little bit?
Okay,
This one?
yeah. So, who is it? Joy?
Yeah.
Let's see.
Anger.
Who is it?
Anger.
Anger again? Oh no.
You're not right.
You're not right, yeah. You said it's joy, but it's anger. But it's fine. You got 3 erasers. Wow, you can bring that in the school.
3.
You're going to share it with your classmates?
Yeah.
Good. These are all the erasers that we got from the 3 surprise egg. We got 2 anger and fear. Charlie, I think it's time to say goodbye.
Bye. Bye-bye.
Wow. Nice. Cool. Come on, Thomas. Amazing. Look, he's going sideways when he go to the top.